Good morning everybody, welcome back to my channel. I am Mackenzie Nelson if you're new here, and welcome to Sevilla. I just made it to Spain yesterday and I'm so excited to be in a new country. It already feels so different than Portugal. But if you're new on my channel, I am traveling around Europe for the foreseeable future until I run out of money. So I have lots of places on my bucket list to get through, and Sevilla is definitely one of them. This morning I woke up quite early. I mean, it's 9:20 right now. I just wanted to beat the heat of the day because it's supposed to get really hot later, and go on a walking tour right now. So if you've been on my channel before, you know that I love the Rick Steves walking tour. It's an audio walking tour with an app where he gives you a map audio track to listen to, and you walk through the city and he tells you all about the history and everything. So that's what I'm doing today. It seems to be just over an hour, so I'm just gonna walk to the start of the walking tour right now. And welcome to Spain, everybody. It's gonna be a really fun day. I have some fun things planned with the hostel. All right, just starting now. The time is, it is 9:30, starting in the Plaza Virgen de los Reyes. He's taking me through this like alleyway. I feel like a little dwarf in these. Oh, so pretty. This is actually really beautiful, but I wanted to mention I didn't know that Spain was like influenced so much by Muslim culture, or that it was. I'm also like, I didn't learn a lot of European history in school, so bear with me. I'm learning it now. But yeah, it was like conquered by Muslim cultures from North Africa, a lot of its history, and then was regained by the Christians. So like the towers, the cathedrals, everything has like a Muslim influence. It's really cool. So I actually just came back to the hostel. I've been walking around all day long. I didn't film most of it, but I stopped for a sandwich and just walked around basically the entire city. Then it started getting really hot and I came back into the hostel just to get some homework done. As many of you who follow me might know, that I do school online and I'm actually graduating in 2 weeks, so I should be studying, but I'm trying to balance, you know, traveling and studying because of course that's what I'm doing right now. But I have some plans with the hostel later, so I want to give you a whole hostel tour, and then the hostel puts on free dinners like every other night. If you sign up in the morning, the first 30 people get free dinner, which of course I signed up for free dinner. And I'm hoping to meet some people because there's a lot of empty beds in my dorm room right now, so it's been kind of hard to meet people, but that's fine. And then after the free dinner, I'm going to the flamenco show with the hostel again. It's free, but you just buy a drink there. So it's been a very free, very cheap day. I'm really excited for dinner. I have no idea what it is. I'm excited to be social, but first I gotta get some work done.